In today's digital healthcare world, communicating with patients is easier than ever, but doing it the wrong way can lead to serious HIPAA violations. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about HIPAA-compliant patient communication. HIPAA is a federal law that protects sensitive patient information. It applies to everything from your emails to your appointment reminders. Protected health information, or PHI, includes any personal detail that can identify a patient. This means names, birth dates, medical history, and even phone numbers. To stay compliant, your communication tools must meet these requirements. Get patient consent. Encrypt all messages. Share only what's necessary. Keep detailed audit logs. And make sure your communication vendor signs a business associate agreement. The risks are real. HIPAA violations can cost you thousands or even your license. One unsecured text message could lead to a lawsuit. So how can you communicate safely? Let's break it down by channel. Automated voice calls can be HIPAA compliant if done correctly. Use encrypted platforms. Confirm recipient identity, and never include PHI in the message. Hello, this is a reminder from practice name. You have an appointment on date at time. Please press 1 to confirm, 2 to reschedule. Standard SMS is not secure. To send HIPAA-compliant text, use Robotalker.com. It encrypts messages, gets patient consent, and ensures secure communication. Practice name. Reminder, your appointment is on date at time. Reply C to confirm or R to reschedule. Email can be used, but only with HIPAA-compliant email providers. Better yet, use secure patient portals for anything involving health data. One of the fastest and easiest ways to stay compliant, use Robotalker.com. It sends secure automated voice calls and texts that follow all HIPAA guidelines. Visit hip-a.robotalker.com to book a live demo and see how you can start today. Choose platforms that offer end-to-end encryption, access controls, audit logs, BAA agreements, and EHR integration. Robotalker.com does all this at a price point perfect for small practices. Always get written consent. Make sure your forms explain what types of messages you'll send and how patients can opt out at any time. Even with the best tools, your staff needs training. Teach them what to say, what not to share, and how to spot compliance risks. When done right, HIPAA-compliant communication boosts your practice, fewer no-shows, higher satisfaction, and lower admin time. Metropolitan Medical Group saw a 35% reduction in no-shows, saved 22 staff hours per week, and increased revenue by $12,800 monthly, all by using Robotalker.com. The future is here: AI-driven messaging, voice assistants, even blockchain-backed logs. But one thing stays the same: HIPAA compliance is non-negotiable. Ready to simplify your patient communication and stay HIPAA compliant? Start now with Robotalker.com. Visit hip-a.robotalker.com to book your demo and try it out risk-free for $9 or your money back within 30 days.